Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So time to get into these leave-ins for 2020. Of course, like I said in the other videos, these are only leave-in conditioners that I used in 2020 and they stood out and made the cut. Now leave-ins are important because we actually leave it in our hair. It is our base, our foundation for our hairstyle. So if your leave-in is trash, your style is probably gonna be trash, dry, or just a mess, you know. So leave-ins are hella important. I'm gonna start with this one first, and even though I actually like to use this melanin leave-in as a deep conditioner more than I use it as a leave-in conditioner, I still like it as a leave-in conditioner. And the reason why I like it is because it's multi-purpose. So I like it as a leave-in. You can use it as a pre-poo because it has nice slip. You can use it as a deep conditioner. You can use it for so many different things. So that's one of the reasons why I really like this. So I've emptied a whole one. This is a new one, and like I said, this is one of my favorite deep conditioners of 2022. So if you haven't used it in 2020 for a deep conditioning treatment, definitely give it a try. I know y'all don't be wanting to wash it out because it ain't cheap, but girl, splurge a little bit. This quenched by Aunt Jackie's, like, y'all, this took me by complete surprise. It's like a super watery type of texture. So when I used it, I was like, this ain't finna do nothing. But girl, when I put this on, I actually put it on in the shower, and when I got out of the shower, my curls was juicy and popping. My wash and go was moisturized. Like, this shocked me. It has some bomb slip. Like, this is just great. It's like great. Even though it's like super lightweight, this has hella moisture, bomb slip. You need to try it. This Goddess Strength leave-in from Carol's Daughter. This was in our original Zoom collab me and Faye and Alexis did, and they put me onto this, and I was like, dang, I was asleep because I ain't know. I didn't even think it was gonna be good. Now, I'm not real versed on a lot of Carol's Daughter products, and I kind of just be skipping by them. But they put me onto this, and this is definitely a bomb leave-in conditioner. Now, it does not have the best smell because of the black cumin in it, but the smell like doesn't linger. And if you use other like stylers that have a smell to it, they will cover up the smell of this. It's not like stank like boo-boo stank, but it's just like not that happy, fruity, or, you know, floral smell we like in our leave-in conditioners. But your styler will cover up the smell, especially if your styler has a smell to it. So this was moisturizing. It does have silicones, but the silicones did not bother my hair. It didn't make my hair swell up anymore or leave any halo around my hair. Like, my hair was still really cute and moisturized. So this is good. Both of these leave-ins from Nature's Little Secret are bomb. This one is the banana leave-in, so this is the more like kind of lightweight leave-in. It's definitely still like thick enough for all hair types, especially us type 4s. You can definitely still use this. Has a nice like amount of slip. Like, I really enjoy this one. And this one is the avocado moisture cream, which is like more of a hair moisturizer, and it's thicker, but I still would use it as a leave-in and has used it as a leave-in, and my hair was moisturized all week. So both of these are bomb leave-ins. I would recommend for any hair type, especially us type 4s. If you like a little lighter weight consistency, get the banana one. If you like a thicker consistency, get the avocado one. These leave-ins from Natural Oasis are really good. Now, this one is the Curl and Edge Custard, and this one is the Detangle and Curl Definer. I use them both as a leave-in, and I really like them. They have nice amount of moisture. The Curl Definer and Detangler has more of a lightweight consistency, and it has a little more slip because you can detangle your hair with it. So it's lightweight, has a nice moisture balance to it. And this one is a thicker one, and this one has a little more oils and butters in it. So once you use this, it also seals in the moisture. So I like this for that. This leave-in conditioner and hair moisturizer from Elaine Beauty, they are really good and really moisturizing. They are pricey, but you know, Now, I do really enjoy both of these. I actually enjoy using them together. This one is more of a lightweight consistency, and this one is more of a heavy consistency. So it all depends on how you want to use them, what style you're doing, what kind of consistency you like. I really enjoy both of them, and I enjoy them even more together. So she has new packaging now. So I used the one that was in the old packaging, though I emptied those. These are newer ones, and she's changed the packaging again, so they won't look like this, but you will get the same type of product. Those both were nice and moisturizing, gave my hair definition. I didn't have to use a styler. I just used these together and did a twist style, and it was soft, it was moisturized, and it was defined. And last but not least, the new one that snuck up in here real quick at the end of 2020 was this Do Magic from Sienna Naturals. I love this stuff. I'm like halfway done with it. I've used it about 3 times already, and I really enjoy it. I love the consistency of it. It has this like lightweight, gooey consistency. You do have to use quite a bit of it. I do, because that's how I like to apply it. But it just was really moisturizing for my hair. It has like a lavender scent smell. If you like lavender smells, that's what it smelled like to me. And it was just nice and moisturizing. My hair was juicy, and when I sealed it in with the oil or Lock and Seal serum that came with this, it was just good. So those are my leave-in conditioners that made the cut for 2020. If you did not see my shampoos, co-washes, and deep conditioners, those videos will be linked down in the description box. And of course, I'll be coming up next with stylers. So make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and share it too. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.